Verizon Fios Internet Provider Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving deep into an honest review of Verizon Fios, one of the leading fiber optic internet providers in the US. Verizon Fios offers high-speed internet with impressive download and upload speeds that cater to a variety of users, from casual browsers to gamers and remote workers who rely on stable, fast connections. With plans ranging from 300 Mbps to 1 Gbps, it's designed for households that demand seamless streaming, online gaming, and heavy data usage. One of the standout features of Verizon Fios is its fiber optic technology, which provides a more reliable and consistent connection compared to traditional cable internet. This technology reduces latency and offers symmetrical upload and download speeds, meaning you can upload files as quickly as you download them, a crucial feature for content creators and professionals who rely on efficient data transfer. Additionally, Fios includes no data caps, ensuring you can stream, download, and upload without worrying about overage fees. Installation is straightforward, with professional installation options available, and self-installation kits are also offered for tech-savvy users. The Fios home router provides robust security features, including advanced encryption and a customizable firewall, which are essential for protecting your personal information online. The included Fios TV service also integrates well if you're looking for a bundle, offering various channels and on-demand options. Customer service is another critical aspect to consider. Verizon has made significant strides in improving its customer support, with 24/7 assistance available through chat and phone. While some users report long wait times during peak hours, the support staff is generally knowledgeable and helpful. However, it's worth noting that Verizon Fios isn't available in all areas, which may limit your access depending on your location. Pricing can also be a concern. While promotional rates are attractive, be prepared for potential price increases after the initial contract period. In conclusion, Verizon Fios is an excellent choice for users seeking reliable, high-speed internet with strong performance for heavy data tasks. If you live in an area where Fios is available, it's worth considering for its superior technology, robust features, and improved customer service. Just keep an eye on those post-promotion rates to ensure it fits your budget in the long run.